One and all present here, a very warm good morning to all of you. My name is Deepak Kumar and I am a student of BBA first time. First of all, thank you to our Nitish sir who has given this opportunity to present a short presentation on the topic of price of related goods. So without wasting your precious time, now I start. First one is price of related goods. Sometimes the price of a related good are also responsible for the demand for the main product. Related goods are two types. First one is substitute goods and second one is complementary goods. Substitute goods are those goods which can be demand or can be used instead of one another. For example, tea or coffee, Coke and Pepsi. There is a direct or positive relation between price of a substitute goods and the demand for the main product. For example, if the price of a coffee increase, then the demand for tea will also increase. And if the price of a coffee decrease, then the demand for the tea will also decrease. Second one is complementary goods. Complementary goods are those goods which can be demand jointly at the same point of time and they help to make consumption possible. For example, bread and butter, pen and refill. There is a inverse relation between price of a complementary goods and the demand for the main product. Like if the price of a refill increase, then the demand for the pen will all decrease, and if the price of a refill will decrease, then the price of a pen will all increase. So I hope all things are clear to all of you. That's all from my side. Thank you.